I'm jaws on the beat, I got a flow that kills. Do my ting with a few G's, Lauren Hill.
What's up guys, it's Unders and today's just going to be a Waves quick tip video. I just want to show you how we can add some body to a snare. So just listen to this guy right here. It sounds like this originally. And just by adding this one plugin, it can go from this to this. It's really simple. It's using Waves Rbass and kind of abusing what it's for, but not really at the same time. So the only other thing on here, look, is an EQ, and it's basically a roll off with a little bump around here. What we're doing is very, very simple. I'm using Rbass just at the 0 on its intensity. So it's a default setting, really. We could do less or more. We can pump this up or down. However, in this case, 0 was bang on. Just had to bring the gain down by about 2 dB from what it's doing. And the frequency here just set to 242. Now, the way I found 242, let's just turn Rbass off and we'll just play the kick and the snare combo here. Very simply on the EQ, boosting it up, narrowish. We're just gonna look for the point that starts to get the body in. For me, right around 242. Now you don't really want to be doing a really sharp spiking EQ of like 15 dB. It tends to lead to more problems than it solves. But what we can do is add loads of extra frequency right around that area using Rbass, and that's literally all this does. So we can just watch the graph here. When we switch Rbass on, we don't see a huge spike like we did with the boost in the EQ, but we get all that extra body. Check it out. And there you have it. It's my simple Waves quick tip for today. Just using Rbass on a snare, kind of using and abusing it, bringing it right up to a higher frequency, finding that spot with an EQ, and just using it to fill the body out of those samples when you want it. Yeah, instead of cutting out 30 different snares and laying them all together, this is just a nice, easy fix, really controllable, and the way I like to do things. I hope the video has been helpful for you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for subscribing.